Well, welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we're in Port Morant, and we're going to drive to Bath. But the main reason for the trip is that I think it's just a beautiful, beautiful drive to go this way up past Airy Castle. So I just left the Port Morant Square. What were you saying, dear?
The tamarind tree laid with tamarind.
Oh,
Across the road.
well, there's a church there, and there's a session there. Anyway, so away we go, leaving town. I don't even know what road this is called, but let's just look it up and see. This is called, something Harbor, Old Harbor Road, you said?
It's something on the head, like with a I don't remember. I was telling
Harbor Head Road.
Yeah, Harbour Head Road.
Or Harbor Head Drive or something.
Road. I think it's road. Harbour Head Road.
Okay. And this is Market Road here. And I only know that because I saw the sign. So, this is not really a house tour like we often do, people. But when you see a house like that, you better slow down. Look at that, sweetie. Look at that. Isn't that nice?
I see it, yeah.
Wow. Wow. So it's not really a house tour so much as it's just a scenery tour. And I've been wanting to drive this. I haven't driven on this road over here for probably 3 years, and I just wanted to do it. And so I thought, well, let's just hook up my cameras and take my people along with me. You know? So that's what we're doing. And we're seeing little churches along here, along the road. People walking the street that are going home from church. Everybody's all dressed in their Sunday best. Well, not everybody, but some people are dressed in their Sunday best. It's not a bad little town, really, you know. That girl almost looked like the lady that works at the pharmacy. The young one. Didn't she?
No.
If I'd have been going slower, I would have taken a closer look, but...
I don't see anyone there that look like her.
That young girl?
2 people. One into the blue dress, and her back was kind of turned to us.
Yeah, the one with her back turned to us. The younger one.
No.
It's not that young farmer. The girl that works, she a lot of times the one that takes the money. Okay, well.
Not for him.
Yeah. Well, I'm more interested in driving than looking at people, but I'm a people watcher, you know. I like watching people. Now, when I came up this road here, I see. If I turn right, I go to Pear Tree.
It's a community college over there.
Yeah.
Excellent.
And there's Pear Tree there.
Pear Tree.
If I go that way, if I turn right, but since I turn left, to the right is the college, the community college or whatever.
Excellent community college.
What kind of things do they teach there? Just administrative, business?
Yeah, I think they do all of those.
Plumbing, electrical, all those too, you think?
Because they have the bigger college in Kingston, the Excelsior College.
That's a house center right there.
Teacher, they train teachers.
They've done some work to kind of fix that up, it looks like. Well, these are big houses. They're older. The one's got a much newer roof, but they're big. Look at that one back there. That house back there, so far from the road.
It's mango tree full of blossom.
Mm-hmm. Well, you know, I was talking the other day about how when it's overcast like this, the colors pick up so much better in the camera as compared to when it's real bright and sunny.
Nice.
So we're gonna test my theory today and see how that goes. See if my theory was right. See if this just all looks dark and gloomy, or if I pick up some nice colors. So. You know, I was noticing when I put my sunshades on, which I have those put on today, people. I was noticing when I put on my sunshades, sometimes when the camera is correcting its focus, or not its focus, but its angle, it'll sometimes catch a little bit of that little sunshade that I put over my lens. So. And then I was gonna the other day, I thought, oh, you know, I need to go down that street someday. That looked like a nice road. Nice residential area there, you know.
We have even also scheme around there.
Mm-hmm. Well, they have the one up on that overlooks the port, or not the port, but the next section over.
Where the hardware.
Yeah. What do you call that?
Land top.
Land top or whatever. Yeah. You know, this is a big community, really. I mean, look how long we've been driving, and we're still in town. But I'm not here to look at houses, or I would have taken that road for sure, because that looks interesting back there. But in glancing at my map, it seems that most of the...
But don't houses gonna be in it, because the houses are videoing.
Yeah. Okay, that road back there. Oh, that is a big neighborhood back over there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a real nice neighborhood over there. I definitely want to do that sometime. That's a nice residential neighborhood, it looks like. But today's not the day. If I was just going to do this town and be done with it, this would be the day. But that could practically be a video all by itself. It looks like a pretty good-sized neighborhood.
Not too bad.
No, it's not a bad road at all, people. That is true. Over in here somewhere, there's some place that some YouTubers came one time and
Got something big up here.
yeah, and this might be the place. I don't know. No, I don't think that's it, but that is a big place.
Oh,
Just a house. Now I kind of wish I was going the opposite direction for this. I might have to mount a camera on the back of the car so you can see the stuff behind me, people. Except I don't have a camera. Well, I do have one, but it's not the kind I want to use for something like that. But I could always just mount one up there. It'd be kind of cool. Occasionally I get a picture, but 9 times out of 10, people want to see where I'm going, not where I've been. This is Nickel Hill.
Yeah. Coming up here.
Yeah.
So there a bus stop down there.
Someday I'll have to drive up there. Like I say, people, this is not the day that I'm going around looking at houses or just driving through neighborhoods. I'm kind of doing a long haul here where I'm going to go all the way to Airy Castle and Bath. This is just starting to already look like we're in Airy Castle, though.
I don't know.
I wonder if I am.
Or is Airy Castle Road? I don't know.
Huh? Maybe.
Yeah.
Well, I don't think that second man was the taxi man either. But
It's a big house up here.
yes, they need to do. If they had a little landscaping done up there, that would really be a beautiful property. But it's still not too shabby the way it's. You know how each level goes out farther and wider and wider.
Oh, it's big.
That's kind of a style they do here in Jamaica, which is kind of pretty. Yeah, this has definitely got to be Airy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Airy Castle Gully then.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Where? What does that road say? Oh, I see what it says. No, something or other. It's a bad word. Can't repeat it, people. Look at the bamboo down there.
One time
This valley. Woo!
I think one time bus would go over there and people didn't get dead.
Yeah, it seemed like I remember you talking about that.
Yeah.
That's why, even though I'd like to do some looking around, I can't do as much looking around as I'd like to. I'm just going to have to do driving.
It's very deep.
I'm going to have to enjoy this video right along with my viewers and subscribers. You hear that, viewers and subscribers? I'm going to enjoy this video at the same time you do. Well, actually, I'll enjoy it before you do, because I'm going to look at it before. I'm going to check my cameras here real quick. Everything looks good. Good, good, good. In the neighborhood, hood. Wow. Yep, here's the Airy Castle sign.
If I must say, don't go there.
Yeah, it just, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know, just something about it. I just like the Airy Castle. Oh, it's Airy Castle welcomes you. Okay, well, I feel welcome, you know. See, they've got fiber optics here, sweetie. They've got fiber optics here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, people are working and building.
And I really like around here, so it's too hill, and when it's not hill, it's gully.
Oh, yeah.
I want to get to make this road here.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I want to make this road.
Who knows how they decided to make the road here, but
Maybe this road was from way back.
well, you know, the one man that was commenting on my Montgomery Road tour, he did some engineering work there, and he talked about how the different widths of the road had different names, and one was like a bridle lane, and the other was like a carriage lane, and it had to do with how how wide it was, So when we talk about certain roads, used to be they're only wide enough for a donkey cart.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that basically means it's wide enough. It's a bridle road. It's just wide enough to have you have your horse pulling a little cart,
Yeah.
and you're just holding onto the bridle.
Yeah.
And so it is. It's a donkey cart road. And then the next size, you go up, and he called it. I think that's the next one he called was a carriage road. Well, then you can have a carriage go on it. It's
Yeah.
wider. It's a little bit wider than a cart. See?
Okay.
Yeah. But I'd be interested to see what all the different roads and the width.
feet? Is it 15 feet? One is
I
the
think
carriage road.
the 15. No, the 15 was the bridle road. I think that's the narrowest. 15.
Then that's wide. For
Well, but if you're on a ledge and there's branches growing out, two donkey carts passing at the same time, that's not so wide.
That's true.
So, yeah, not so wide.
Too much gully there. This place. Too much gully and hill. Like one side is gully, one side is hill.
Oh, you like the flat better?
It's too deep.
Oh, there's a road goes up there to the whole community. Okay.
It's too much gully. Look how far we're coming from, and it's just gully over there.
Yeah.
Too much.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry that you don't like the gully, sweetie. I kind of like it. Not that I want to drive
look
down
at
in
it.
it.
You know, it's all right to look at it.
Oh, you mean you wouldn't want to live on the...
That's live. I'm talking.
Yeah. A lot of those expensive neighborhoods like Montgomery Road, that's the way they are if you look at them. They're on a steep embankment. Those houses.
But maybe if it is so, it's fixed that it looks so good, you know. It's really fixed.
It's fixed, yes.
Yeah. And it looks so good. But
So if this was fixed nicer,
yeah,
then you would go for this more. So it's more the...
No, but it has really a lot of gully. Man, don't you know? I don't know. Maybe I don't know.
Yeah. All these vines and stuff hanging.
Yeah.
This is Tarzan territory.
Yeah, Tarzan, yeah.
Tarzan territory.
Look, he's a big house. It's down here too. This house here.
I think
it's
the
more
only...
than one floor.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a road that goes down that part of the town. See?
Eh?
Yeah, a road that goes down that part of the town.
Okay.
Yeah, it just goes down and comes. That's called the Gill. No, the Ginger River. That's called the Ginger River down there.
So maybe river down there too.
Yeah, there is. I can see it on the map. I can't see it through the trees, but it's called the Ginger River.
Oh, light pole go down there too, because that's the light pole over that way that go. Right?
Oh,
Yeah, go around there.
well, right up here.
No, they have light pole over there too.
Oh, over there on the other side. You mean?
Yeah,
Or-
yes,
okay.
yes, yeah. I see it go across.
Yeah.
See?
Now, you were wanting to buy some apple or something?
Yeah, miss.
Look and see what he's got. You got what? Nesberries
Nesberry.
and blessing. We're just looking to see what you got.
Okay.
You got any red apples?
No, right up. Oh, that's easy.
I'm only out of season right here. I've seen them.
Certain place, they can't, you know.
Yeah, no, I know. Every place is different.
Is Nesberry those little beanie thing?
Yeah.
That little bitty?
You know, you were just complaining about your produce. I'm sorry.
No, they're just
We
little.
didn't really come here to talk down on your produce. It looks nice though. The rest looks good. Okay. No, we're just talking, amongst ourselves. But no, she was a little bit ago. She said, if you see some red apples, I want to stop. Oh, I guess she's going to get out. I was about to drive off. I'd leave her behind.
You know, I'll get rid of it. Next month. Grass may go on the outside. Right, after that. What is that?
Oh, tourist price? We live over in Chiswick. We live over. You know where Chiswick is? I know you must. You know where Chiswick is by Dalby?
Yeah.
That's where we live. We're not tourists. You got it. The price just went half.
Yeah, tourist to my village still. Why are they the road?
Ah, listen to that. No, sir. We can't be paying tourist price over here. We're next door neighbors. There's no tourist price involved over here. All right. We'll be regulars now since we know about you. This is a nice little shop you got here. I mean, nice little corner here. Yeah. Huh? Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's long petite.
Yes, respect, brother.
I'm an elder now, you know. Carrying that car, you know.
Ah.
Big up.
Big up.
You think that's always something up in that?
Huh?
Sharp and more reasonable. With
Is
that
it good? Yeah. It's starting to rain, so hopefully I don't get too much drops on my cameras. No,
Oh, they might even wash good.
no, I don't want to. I don't want to eat those right now with my cameras going. All right, I just changed the cameras for. I left them go, but I changed the battery, so I can get a little further down the road before I have to shut them down. But I may get little droplets of water on all over my cameras here before I get much farther. So,
The labor something.
hmm?
Labor thing.
Boy, there's pure laborites over here. Where's the laborites? I just see pure PNP. You see laborites over here? I see pure PNP.
I'll pin piano. Children skin outside. Right?
Airy Castle's a long town, you know. It goes a long ways
Yeah.
if you count the whole distance of it. Those are tiny Nesberries.
And then I wash good on him about how it takes
So
time
now-
you have to wash them.
Now
And throw the water in the bag.
your hands are going to be pure sticky now.
No,
You got that white stuff all over them?
No, it's ripe. So
Oh, look at that. How far down it goes. I don't know if hopefully everybody can see that. That's pretty.
and look how where Nisberry I rocky plant, you see? Look how the amount of Nisberry tree.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look how those Nisberry tree bears still grow and make pick whole heap of Nisberry.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, a good size.
And then
They're twice, 3 times the size of these.
and him myself in the 600
How much?
dozen. 600 a dozen.
Good grief. That's-
Half dozen, remember?
Boy, that definitely tourist price.
Yeah.
That is not the local price. That can't be.
No.
That can't be in the local.
If you don't sell so bad, mother buy some all this star thing, the green on front.
See, there's power down in there.
So-
Oh, there's a road down there. See that?
That's the same road they talk
No.
about. That's
No,
it.
it's a different one.
Maybe when a girl knows see the road. Like, I don't know.
No, it's not. I don't know what. It doesn't even show on here, sweetie. Yeah, it doesn't even show on here, that one. Oh, that's... Somebody's got a... I wish I could see that house over there, although I'm not house looking. That's a pretty home. You maybe can see it right through here. Yeah, here, look.
Mm-hmm.
See?
And down there
the
flat.
2 level? See the 2 level?
Yeah, and down there flat.
Yeah, but it's right up against the gully over to the...
Oh, see,
Yeah.
see the road there? See the road right there.
That's the road that goes down past there. It's not on the map. It's just a private road. Let's see what the sign says here. The sign says, oh,
Panton Town.
Panton Town. That's Panton Town. Okay. Let me zoom in
So
on. Let me zoom in the map here and see if I can see Panton Town.
So it's not private.
No, I don't see any Panton Town at all on any map.
So maybe that's
Oh, now we're back. Now we're back to Laborite. We were at PNP here a minute ago. Now we're to Laborite. Oh, those are pretty. They look like poinsettia.
Oh, I just see something.
Ponciana?
No.
Looks like a
Christmas tree, what do you call it?
poinsettia. Poinsettia.
What the thing name what Christmas time?
Poinsettia.
A pancetta, okay, well that it.
That's not called a ponciana. That's a poinsettia, huh?
Yeah,
It's huge. I've never seen
Yeah.
a poinsettia.
yeah man.
I only at Christmas time you just see a little tiny, in a pot. Never see a huge one like that. That's amazing. I've never seen a big
You
one
know,
like
I
that.
see some of the tree growing all about up at the yard, but you don't allow them to grow big. I leave them back at the house. You have to tree them. You see,
At where? In
up at
Chiswick?
the yard, yeah.
Oh,
They grow plenty there.
I didn't see them.
Yeah. And sometimes some of the leaves
Oh.
turn red.
And there's something over here, some sort of red flower thing. Yeah, I better get over here.
Sometimes some of the leaves then turn red.
Yep.
I have a thing on that car, something under that toe.
Oh, look at that hanging from that tree. What is that?
Oh, the ugly suckiness.
Huh? Some sort of beans or something? See them?
Yeah, I don't like it.
You don't like it? I wonder what it is.
I don't know what it is. It's a
But
tree.
you don't like it. You don't like it? How do you know you don't like it? It might be good food.
No.
You're
It
so
looks
funny.
like a dreadlocks.
You're so funny.
It look like
It's a dreadlock tree.
Most dreadlocks. I never see a tree look like that.
Ah, you get all worked up. Oh, I don't like it. It might taste
don't
the
like
most
that?
wonderful exotic
But
food
I
in the
don't
whole
think it's
world.
something to eat.
It must be. How could something look so...
Oh, why somebody want that? I ever see a tree.
It looks like a bunch of people with dreadlocks
Yeah.
hanging out in your tree. You don't
If
sit out
I
in front
see
of your
something
house.
like that, I chop it down.
I
And then
don't
some
know
of
why.
them green ones do and they dry brown. Look like.
Okay. And see, we're still Airy Castle.
Mhm.
It's Airy Castle. Oh, that's...
Yeah.
I like that colored blue. That combination. That looks pretty.
It's a little church. Oh,
Mhm.
it's a big
Oh, that
church.
goes way back.
Yeah, it's a big church.
Yes. Here's the Mission Impossible. Mission Impossible. How's the Mission Impossible song go? I forget. But anyway.
Right. That same pensiona,
Those guys were staring at my cameras.
that same pensiona, is it you call the mistletoe? Something about what is mistletoe? What is the mistletoe?
Mistletoe.
Yeah, what is it?
I thought you were saying middle toe.
No,
A mistletoe? It's the little red berries.
and it that goes.
Yeah,
on.
yeah.
Okay.
That might have been That might have been mistletoe.
Yeah, so the trees, if we
It
have
looked like dreadlocks more than mistletoe.
No, I'm not talking. I'm talking the point. You always no,
Okay.
say something. No,
Okay.
understand.
Okay.
Is the pansiana a pansiana? You say it name? Is pansiana
Poinsettia.
pansetta, and it has mistletoe on it. Those little red things on it is mistletoe.
Oh, I didn't know.
I don't know. So
No,
what is mistletoe?
No, mistletoe? It's just little red berries.
So don't it bear some berries? What?
I don't think so. I don't know. Sweetie, I'm not a horticulturalist. That's your department. You're supposed to know these things. You're letting our viewers and subscribers. I mean, our viewers and subscribers, you're letting them all down. You're supposed to know that. There's another little road here. Oh, that road goes. Where's that road go? Let's see here. Oh, that goes on down into town. There's a lot of town over there. Well, was going to stay on the Bath Road, so that's what I'll do. But yeah,
It's a big community around
it
here.
really is. Yeah, down there, and then there's several enrons
Okay.
or evrons, or however you say that, where little roads coming off of it. Well, there's a mule sitting over there in the bush. I don't know if you spotted it, people, but I spotted it. And this is this way to Rose of Sharon Prayer House.
012 left battery level low.
Okay, I set this for about 8%.
012 right battery level low.
Everything's going out. All the batteries. All right, people, we're going to have to cut this off because the batteries will not last but just a tiny bit more. So, thanks for joining us on this exciting tour to Airy Castle. And we're going to have to do another one because the batteries are out. I'm going to have to stop and change out my batteries and everything if we're going to do any more. So, anyway, big up yourself. Bless up yourself. Be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe. And later, and
Amen.
amen. Okay.